Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prawn again.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Pepe Prawns here. Guess what arrived on my door today? September 28th. Finally, we have our Nirvana radio for the second giveaway. So, here I am, and if you haven't seen it before, this is how we do it. We go over to the video, we grab the link. We come on to our random YouTube picker. We paste it in, we tell it to search. It digs up all the comments in there. Sees 306 unique comments in there. Let's see, we have 316 comments, and I commented a bunch of times, so likely most of those are mine. And we go ahead and smash the button. Now, before I smash the button, I'm going to leave you hanging. If you didn't win, I know I couldn't give out 306 of these, but if you didn't win and you still want one, check out the links below in the comments and in the description, and you can go to Underground FPV and order yours. They're coming quickly now. The delay is finally over. The good part of the delay was that they upgraded the hardware and firmware. So the ones coming out of Underground FPV are fixed. So we got rid of that first round jitters stuff that we didn't want in the first place. So it's actually good that we had to wait because we're getting the better version of it in the end. So don't leave the channel. Lots more coming here real soon. A lot of more giveaways coming for the big Black Friday giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'll be announcing that probably October 1st. You'll see that announcement. So let's go ahead and spin to win. And the winner's going to be Monty Peak. So Monty Peak, go ahead and email me at pepeprons@thequadcopterreview.com. And comment below once you see this to let me know so you and I can get connected and we can get this sent out to you. Alright, so once again everybody, thanks for participating. Don't forget to look at the links below if you want to buy one for yourself. And as always, happy flying and continue to look for more giveaways, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter Review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and happy flying.